2021 question 1. The melting point of a chemical species is 146 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in water and the solution does not conduct electricity. So this is a big hint. It does not conduct electricity. Which of the following structures would this species have? Now immediately, because this solution does not conduct electricity, I can already rule out giant metallic structure, because those that have giant metallic structure, they have delocalized electrons. So they are able to conduct electricity. Also, those with giant ionic structure, especially if it's in molten state or in aqueous state, they would have mobile ions present. So even with mobile ions, you're able to conduct electricity. And here it says this is soluble in water. That means obviously, if it was an aqueous solution, it would have mobile ions. But this one, it does not conduct electricity. So I can also rule out A. So that leaves me with giant covalent structure and simple molecular structure. Now we know for giant covalent structure, there are only a handful of examples. And we know for a giant covalent structure, it has a very, very high melting or even boiling point. But here, this is only 146 degrees Celsius. The melting point is very low. And it's very low, that means its only possibility is that it could be a simple molecular structure. For a giant covalent structure, because there's presence of strong covalent bonds, and in the strong covalent bonds, you need a large amount of energy to overcome them. Whereas in a simple molecular structure, you only have weak van der Waals force. So you only need a small amount of energy to overcome them. That's why the melting point is low. So answer for this is D.